The machine is an E-System 2000 with dual button cycle start, thermostatically controlled hot melt glue system, running full flap seal end style cartons. The power requirements for the machine are quite simple. You need a single 220 volt 60 cycle single phase line coming into the main electrical disconnect, and then you need a single air line coming to our filter, regulator, and lubricator assembly, preferably about a half-inch air line. The machine is factory preset at 80 psi. So one 220 single phase electrical line and one half-inch diameter air line. The instruction manual covers startup procedures, but essentially you've got some very basic operator controls. When the power is put onto the machine, you have a separate on-off switch for the heat. Digital readouts will read the temperature of each pot. This machine is set for centigrade because it's being exported out of the country. So 177 degrees centigrade is the proper setting for each pot, give or take a few degrees. The operator control panel is on a flexible conduit and is remote, can be moved to whatever location is desired. The operator controls are very basic. There is an on-off switch for vacuum for carton erecting. Normally this should be in the on position when the machine is in production. There is a blue reset button. Anytime the safety guarding or the emergency stop is hit, you just e-stop the machine in order to restore power. We pull out the stop button and we push the reset button. The keyed override switch is turned on. The guard should be in the on position and the key can be removed so that if someone opens the safety guarding, again, you heard the emergency stop, for safety reasons the machine comes to a stop. To start the machine up again, you must push the reset button. The operation is very simple. The operator would simply manually load product with the aid of the guide shelf and then hit the 2-cycle start buttons. The loaded carton is moved ahead and a new carton is brought down into position. The back is closed off so product won't pass through, and the operator continues the process on a repetitive basis. When the cartons are moved ahead and all flaps are closed, they go into the closer portion of the machine where both end flaps are glued with hot melt, very similar to your existing machine, and then the carton is elevated up into a compression chamber and then discharged via the delivery chute accessory. Take a carton here. See, the finished carton is very square, very nicely sealed and clean.